Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is a little weird. It's actually an old video I did back in 2015 or 2016. So if you guys have seen my very old videos, I moved to Vietnam. I came out to be a teacher, but I had this objective of opening a business. I didn't know what to open up yet. I was still exploring different options in Southeast Asia. And I ended up, obviously I was an English teacher, I ended up opening a school because I just saw so many flaws in the Vietnamese education. And I thought, well, I knew, and I proved it through this company, that I could do better than these schools. It worked out because the company was sold. I ended up selling to a larger school in Hanoi. I'll keep the name out of it. But I sold to them. But this video particularly is when I first got the actual building, the school. And I did a walkthrough of it. Now, this was back in 2015. I wasn't really vlogging at all. I was recording this when the channel was relatively new. I think I opened this channel in 2015. So it's quite poorly recorded. I'm also extremely fatter. So don't fat shame me, guys. I've cleaned up my diet. I don't drink alcohol no more. I don't smoke. So I look much younger, thinner now. And I feel better. I sound better. I don't know if I've ever posted this video. I just found it through a drive while I was going through a bunch of old video content. And I don't remember ever posting this one. But this was the very first business I opened in Vietnam legally, had the paperwork, I signed everything, I had an investor with me, and bada bing, bada boom. And I ended up turning out well over, it was a lot of extra money. Way more than what I spent in this whole business. So with that being said, guys, enjoy the video.
Promised you I would show you the new house once I moved in. This is the house. This is where the company's starting. This is kind of my first step on what I'm gonna do. So here's the wall. Now you can see this is so much lighting going on here. This is amazing, right? So it's one of my bikes. Got my other bike here. This is gonna be the main floor here. I already got the wall tiles that we're putting together here. My old Yamaha, some storage. I need to block that. Got a couple of bikes. I got some guys on the roof doing some stuff. And as we go through here, you see the kitchen. Here's the bathroom. A lot bigger. It doesn't look that big on this camera. But compared to the old house, if you saw that video, this is ridiculous. It is almost 3 times bigger. Here is the kitchen. It's got a back patio back here. Got my washer out there. The kitchen itself is a mess, but it's extremely big compared to what I had before. Got my old school fridge. Got the clothes in here. It rained last night. Stacks of money that I have no idea what to do with right now. So we're gonna head up to the next floor. So let's hit some switches. There we go. So the cool thing I like about this house is the staircase is so much bigger. I carried my king size bed up here by myself with no issues. The last house, I had to destroy the fucking thing. Now you see all that lighting? You're gonna love that when we get to the next floor. Next doesn't last. So this is a wall. This is what I call a ballroom. Woo, look how big this place is. So let's turn on some lights here. I should have did this before. And this is room 1, same thing. It's got pillars. And you can see, they're putting in fans in the top. And then, again, another outside. This is just like a small patio, so it's nothing too big. So this is ideally 2 classrooms. It's pretty fucking huge. Actually, it's really huge. I mean, look at this. This is the pillar, yeah? Look how big that room is. Look how far that is. Again, the camera's not showing me justice here, but we're now getting out, which is ridiculous. So another bathroom. Same, all these are identical. Here's the first room. I got the AC thing set up. We're gonna put another fan in there. Again, another window. These windows are pretty badass. They actually open all the way to the side, any way you want. And I got the first classroom set up. So heading up to the last floor, and this is what I really want to show you guys. You see that lighting? Look at that. How expensive that is in the US. Natural roof lighting. So heading up to the last floor here. We got some college degrees and books. This is the bedroom. Still figuring out, waiting on the box for my bed to come. A couple of dressers here. Again, another AC setup. Took out that fan. I'm not going to use it there. And again, just another bathroom. Same size, same 9 yards, whole thing. And going out here is another classroom. You see, I'm slowly organizing. Slowly. Let's see if this focuses. There we go. It's be a bit loud as what's gonna walk slow, but completely open. And it's a lot bigger. You see the city from up here. This is one of the nicer buildings in the area. Actually, I think it's one of the nicest. Oh, right, costs that much. You can see this place gets ridiculously busy. There's all the industry area, and the other way is all residential. Got a private spot that I'm not showing you. Actually, I can't get up there yet. They're not done. And we shut that, and that's kind of the house. Is it big? I think so. Natural lighting. It's a real nice house. This is gonna hit the school. I've already got 2, maybe 3 or 4 classes. I got 2 for sure. 3 or 4. I'm hoping to get 2 more classes here in a couple days. And with that being said, the school pays for itself. Can I see her? Back down the main floor. Kind of like it's got a garage door. I like to keep it propped like that so you can see outside still. The outside of that wall, if you can see here, I'm going to be putting a sticker on there. So on the other side, when the door's closed, you see my business logo. But yeah, this is kind of the idea. I like that little trophy-esque bike. But in here, I'm probably spending $3,000. I want to say 5 almost with all the construction, but I'm also getting income right now too from the job. So it's hard to say what it's actually cost me. But I'm spending between, this is out of pocket, $3,000 US to start this business, get this big ass building, brand new bike. Oh, okay, that was a second purchase. But everything's set up. So if you want to start a business, here's a way to go. Classes are going to be limited. This is going to be the Gucci of schools out here. Everybody wants, but not everybody can get it. But also the pricing is ridiculously good compared to a lot of these major private schools that just offer shitty results. And that's the problem out here, is shitty results. Again, this was a video from the US to Vietnam to be successful, to be a teacher, and it's escalating extremely fast. I mean, I started in February, came back for 2 months, and then left. So I've been out here for about, this is like 6 months now, and I'm already a business owner making a whole lot of money. I got a kitchen table full of money. So everything is going really good. And here's something I want to point out too before I cut this video is the money that's laying around, the money paying for this, the money paying for everything is money I earned in Vietnam. I'm not really pulling US money. So I just save a lot. So I'm putting aside 10 to 20 million every month, which is almost $1,000. It is kind of, it's hard. I'm pretty isolated out here with a lot of my friends just because they want to go out all the time. They always want to party, want to bullshit, and I'm just kind of I need to save, or I got planning to do, or I got ideas. But the thing of it, this house, look at that, is as big as a lot of the other teachers' houses that they live in, but they live with like 7 to 10 people, and it's not even their house. This is all mine, every bit of it.